This rainy mood, there is something trigger inside me to sip a hot coffee with some pakoras or fried snack. I think sitting near a window with a hot coffee and silent music is a perfect bliss.
So today make your rainy day perfect. Here I am going to make parsley root fries, which is very healthy, delicious and very easy to make snack. So let's begin. Just preheat your oven at maximum temperature for grilling. Wash the parsley root thoroughly. Dry with clean napkin. Then cut the ends and peel it out. You can find this parsley root in any grocery shop. Then cut the roots into a medium stripes. It should be like this in size. It is just smell like a red carrot and taste is also similar like that. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil. Half tablespoon garlic powder. Dash of black pepper and salt to taste. Mix it all together. Toss it until each parsley stick has coated with oil and spices. Spread it onto a baking pan. Make sure not to crowd the sticks or stagger them so that there is enough room to brown. Now tray is ready to go into the oven. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes until it turns golden brown in color. Now I think the fries are ready to come out of the oven. So let's see. Let it cool down for a few minutes. Wow, it looks crunchy. Delicious. So enjoy your parsley root fries with a hot coffee. Before that, tell me, what is your favorite ready mood snack? Please let me know by commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe Tastebeat. See you. Bye bye.